Hi friends, and welcome to Joe's. So we are trying to create a chat application here in real time. Okay. So our agenda is, so let me go to next slide. Okay. So this is our agenda. We were going to create a simple chat application. What we are doing, what are the modules that we are covering is registration, login, messages to the users, like who is going to register. So based on that, user can message to respective users, so one-on-one basis. So then we will cover that real-time messaging, okay, using SignalR. Finally, we are going to publish this application in IIS, in localhost. Okay, let me go to the next section. So the technology and the tools that we are using is ASP.NET Core 5, Angular 10. For real-time purpose, we are going to include SignalR, and for SQL to save the data, we are using SQLite. Okay, so let's talk about the tooling that we are going to cover is that Visual Studio 2022, the Community Edition, and Visual Studio Code for coding and other purposes. And we are going to use GitHub for repository. Like once we have completed our coding, so we will check in all our code in GitHub, so people can use this and get it from there itself. And finally, that we are having the Chrome browser where we will test all this stuff. Okay, so this is a first video for my side. So I would like to request you that you can subscribe my channel, so I can give you uh, quality content over .NET technologies. Thank you for visiting us. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.